Hey everyone, this is an update video for the MacBook Pro. So I got a question this morning about the boot picker when you start up OpenCore Legacy Patcher. So by default, when you start up your machine, the boot picker shows up, and that's the OpenCore boot picker to allow this MacBook to run unsupported software. So by default, it just shows you the boot picker, which is nice if you have another OS installed. I have another Mac Mini where I have Apple and Windows installed, so it's nice to have that option. But if you don't want that option, that's who this video is for. OpenCore. So what you want to do is open up the OpenCore utility again. We're going to ignore this. It's telling me to update. I could probably update it now, but I had an issue with the installation. 6.1 did not work on this machine, so that's why I'm running 5.3. So basically what you want to do is go down here to the settings, and it will automatically detect which machine you're running. So this is the MacBook 9.2, and these are Apple's designations of which version of the MacBook you're running. So the 2012 is 9,2. You got a bunch of options here when you're building the OpenCore. Right here is the boot picker. So all you have to do is uncheck this and return to main menu, and then build and install OpenCore again, and it'll say install to disk. Install it to the disk, and it'll pop up. Now it's blue because it sees that it's already installed on this machine, and that's fine, but we're just going to go ahead and overwrite it. So click this one, and it's going to write it over top of the EFI partition. So when you first start up, that's what the partition that you see, it's saying which EFI do you want to boot into, and you wanted to boot into the OpenCore one. So we'll go ahead and hit that. And then it's going to ask you to reboot. So then when you reboot, it will not show the boot picker. And there you go. So it just starts right up into the OS as though it was a stock version of Mac OS. And if you want to undo this procedure, you can just reverse the steps and rebuild the OpenCore if you want that capability returned. So I hope this video helps you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm, and I'm trying to grow this channel, so thank you.